Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So for this you will need a SIM ejector, which I have one right over here, which is provided with the device in the box. But once you get it, I can pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom of the phone, as you can see right over here. So you want to push the pin in, and the tray will pop out just a little bit, enough so the actual tray can be pulled out. Now on the tray you can see you have space for two different SIM cards on either side, so you can occupy whichever tray you want. I'll be using the first one. So you place the SIM card with the chip facing upwards, as you can see, and from there we can pop it back in to our phone. The cards should start working immediately once you insert it, so there we go. As you can see, it just showed up. So confirm SIM pin and this unlocks the card, and that is how you can insert your SIM card. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.